What size prop is it?
I don't even know. Whatever John had on it when I bought it.
Dude, thing's pretty awesome. Thing moves. It's for sure faster than this.
Oh yeah. Faster than all my jets. I don't want to be a jackass and stay at full throttle.
Timer
I think
clear.
the L39 is faster too than the 104.
L39's quick. Alright, I'm going up.
Gear up.
Oh, it really likes that battery though, holy crap. It's climbing like a rocket. I'm gonna do a real fast one from the left. About the same.
Huh?
I think it's about the same, and that wasn't a full throttle pass for you probably.
About the same as speed?
Speed.
No way, dude.
Well, you weren't going full speed, were you?
If that was a heavy balsa wood
Time
or a
remaining
carbon
2
fiber
minutes.
thing, then you would rip on a dive.
Yeah.
But, yeah,
Foam is slow.
exactly.
Slower, not as dense or clean. I'm gonna do a fast one from the right when you're done.
Okay. 4-point roll on duck. Right over the camera. That's stupid.
Alright, I'm blasting right now. Do another one from the right. Oh.
Time remaining 1 minute.
Is that full?
It was for that, yeah, for that bird.
Alright, another one from the left.
Thirty seconds. Ten, 9, 8, 7.
These two are good together.
They're almost the same speed.
3.
I think you're faster all, you know, if you really get on it.
Time expired.
Here's a full throttle.
Okay, I'm doing full too. Yeah, you're quicker. A lot. I heard the zzz. Alright, let me do a, let's see, where's the wind? I gotta land from the left, so get the gear down. Gear is down, there's very little wind.
What a beautiful fucking day.
Gorgeous.
Landing flaps.
Okay, here we go.
Braking.
The lights are sweet as fuck though.
Whoop, 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 whoop. We're good. Started to drift on me.
Release.
Woo! Shoo, that was low.
Flaps up.
That's it for this bird. Cool. This is probably my favorite place to fly this plane is here.
It's the best place to fly, period. That you go to. It's just, you have all your friends over there. The place itself.